school name is PUBS school. I talk about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was a great freedom fighter and also a very good writer. Pandit Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru, who was a famous lawyer. His mother's name was Baruprani. He bought like a prince. After his early education at home by an English tutor, he was sent to jail several times. His entire life was the history of fights for independence. Jawaharlal Nehru involved in the India's freedom movement with Mahatma Gandhi. During freedom movement, he sent to jail several times. He served Congress for many years as General Secretary. He was a great political leader and to achieve independence, he started 5 years plans and constructed multi-purpose projects. Jawaharlal Nehru was a great lover of children and children love for him greatly and called Chacha Nehru. It is due to his great lover of children and children love for him greatly. His birthday on 14th November is celebrated Children's Day in our country every year. Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the greatest leader of India. He wrote such famous books like autobiography. Nehru's death died 27 May in 1964. Nehru's death was very big shock to all loving people of the world. His place would be difficult to fill. Thank you.